What's up guys, and welcome to the Coupon Club. My name's Laura, and if you're new here, welcome. I'm gonna be posting videos showing you how and where you can get your items for under $1 or even free. And in today's video, we're gonna be going into CVS to get some money makers, freebies, and more. So without wasting any more time, let's get to it. I want to start off with all the freebies, and our first freebie this week is going to be on the Luden's cough drops. These are on a sale, buy one get one 50% off, and when you buy two, you get a $3 extra buck reward. There's also a 75% off coupon on Ludens.com when you buy two. With this coupon, your out-of-pocket will be $2.98, and remember, we're going to be getting $3 in extra buck rewards, making the final cost completely free. And if you guys already have $3 in extra bucks, I would suggest using them to pay for this. That way your out-of-pocket will be $0, and you'll still get those $3 extra buck rewards at the end of your purchase. So this is a great deal, which I think everybody should be doing, especially this time of year with the weather changing. Cough drops are just a great thing to have on hand. Our next freebie is going to be on the Zicam Nasal AllClear, which is on sale this week for $17.99. And there's a mail-in rebate for up to $17.99, which I have linked down below. But after the mail-in rebate, your cost will be completely free. If you guys have never done a mail-in rebate, all you do is purchase the item in the store, then go to the link which I have down below, and they're going to ask you for your proof of purchase and some other information, and they're going to refund all your money right back to you. The next item on our list are the Maybelline Eyeshadows, and all the Maybelline products are on a promotion this week where if you buy two, you get a $5 extra buck. And these single eyeshadows cost $3.89 at my store. And there's also a $2 off Maybelline CRT, which is going to print for everybody at that red box machine. So if you use this CRT, your subtotal is going to come to $5.78. But remember, we're going to be getting a $5 extra buck reward, and there's a $1 rebate on Saving Star, making these completely free plus a 22-cent moneymaker. So if anyone needs a stocking stuffer or a small gift, this is a really great item to pick up for free. If you don't want to get the eyeshadow palettes, another option you can do is pick up these twin eye and brow pencils. These are on the same promotion where if you buy two, you get a $5 extra buck reward. And at my store, these cost $4.99, so when you buy two, that makes your total $9.98. There's also that $2 off a Maybelline CRT, and there's a $1 off of a Maybelline eyeliner in the CVS app. And there's that $5 extra buck reward plus a $1 Saving Star rebate. So with all of this, your final cost will just be 98 cents or 49 cents each. Some of you might also have a $3 off a 10 Maybelline CRT, and if you have this, you are golden. If you use this $3 CRT along with that $2 CRT, that $1 app coupon, and that Saving Star rebate, after your extra buck rewards, your final cost is going to be free plus a $2 moneymaker. Now this is a deal I'm definitely going to be doing. These are actually what I use to fill in my eyebrows. So if you guys have been looking for a new product or just want to try something out, I would definitely recommend picking these up because they're literally 50 cents each. It doesn't get better than that. If anybody needs some new liners, now's the time to get them because at CVS they're on sale, buy one get one 50% off, and when you buy two, you get a $2 extra buck reward. Now there's a couple packs of the You Buy Kotex Liners, which are really cheap and will make for a really great deal. First is the You Buy Kotex Light Days Long. This is the 16 count and is priced at $1.69. Second is the You Buy Kotex Barely There 18 count, and this is priced at $1.79. And for the example I'm going to be going over in this video, I'm going to be using the You Buy Kotex Barely There, which is priced at $1.79. But you guys can get whichever you would like. So if you pick up two of the 18 count, which are priced at $1.79 each, your total will be $2.69. And you'll be getting a $2 extra buck reward, making your final cost just 69 cents or 34 cents each. Now, on top of this, keep an eye out for any CRTs that you guys may have, or check in your CVS app because there is a $2 off of two tampons, pads, and liners. So if you have this CRT or coupon in your app, add this to your transaction and these will be completely free for you. We have the Halls cough drops, which are on sale for $4 when you buy two. On top of this, there's a $1 extra buck reward and a $1 Saving Star rebate. If you don't know what Saving Star is, it's a rebate app that gives you cash back on certain items when you buy them. So if you don't have Saving Star, now's a great time to sign up because another deal I will be showing you later in this video also uses a Saving Star rebate. Anyways, after all this, your final cost will be $2 or just $1 each. So if you didn't get enough cough drops from the Ludens, you can pick up some Halls as well. For this next deal, you're only going to be able to do this if you didn't pick up those free Ludens because they're running on the same promotion. And this is the Summer Eve's Cleansing Gloss. Like the Ludens, these are on a promotion for buy one get one 50% off, and when you buy two, you get a $3 extra buck reward. There is also a $1.50 off coupon available at summerseve.com, so be sure to print this out and your out-of-pocket will be $4.03. And don't forget that we're going to be getting a $3 extra buck reward, making our final cost $1.03 or only 52 cents each. Next item we're going to be picking up is the Hershey's Assorted Singles. And I love this deal because I just love candy. So the Hershey's Assorted Candies are on sale 3 for $3 this week, and when you buy 3, you get a $1 extra buck reward. In addition, there was a CRT which printed for everybody last week, which was a $1 off a 2 Hershey's CRT. So you want to use this CRT if you have it towards your transaction, and your final cost will just be $1 or 33 cents for each candy. Moving right along, now we're going to focus on the YesTo products, which are on a promotion where if you spend $10, you get a $7 extra buck reward. So the YesTo coconut milk soap bars are priced at $4.99. So if you pick up 2 of these, your total will be $9.98. And there's a $2 off a bar soap CRT and a $1 off a bar soap CRT. So in the example I used, I'm going to show you the $2 off. But if you have that $1 CRT, just add $1 to the final cost. With this $2 off bar soap CRT, your out-of-pocket subtotal will be $7.98. But remember, you'll be getting a $7 extra buck reward, making your final cost just 98 cents or 49 cents each. And remember guys, if you already have $7 or $8 extra buck rewards, I would suggest using them to pay for this to lower your out-of-pocket, and you'll still be getting those extra bucks right back. And this is something I would recommend that you do for any of the deals that I show you in this video. I definitely promote using your extra bucks towards transactions, which will generate more extra bucks in return. This is how I get the best bang for my buck, and that's why I suggest you guys do it too. The next couple YesTo products I'm going to show you are going to come out to be a little bit over $1 each, but I thought they were still really good deals, so I wanted to show you. First are the YesTo facial masks, which are on the same promotion where if you spend $10, you get a $7 extra buck reward. So these are priced at $3.59 each. So when you buy 3, your subtotal will be $10.77. But we're going to be getting that $7 in extra buck rewards in return, making the final cost just $3.77 or $1.26 each. Next are the YesTo facial wipes, which are priced exactly the same. They're also $3.59, so you'll want to pick up 3 of these, bringing your subtotal to $10.77, and you'll get a $7 extra buck reward, making the final cost just $3.77 or $1.26 for each of these. Our final deal this week is going to be a deal that's been going on for a while now at CVS, and that's on the paparazzi nail polish. These are on a promotion where if you buy 2, you get a $4 extra buck, and they are priced 2 for $5. So you're going to pay $5 at the register, but you're going to get a $4 extra buck reward, making your final cost just $1 or 50 cents each. Alright guys, those are all the deals that I have to show you from CVS this week. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't joined the club, do so down below, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one.